Here's some more hidden things in the search bar. So one thing is if you use auto layers like this here, and then you will have a recipe. Let me pull that recipe up. You can also sometimes see it from the, if we click into here, and then it shows it up here. Down with this one in the layers and masters panel, it gives you a little bit more control. Okay, so see here it has the @ symbol and then a comma. Suppose I wanted to find things that had an @ symbol with a comma, meaning that uh, it's positioning it a little bit, but it doesn't have an X value. So I put that in and I click this recipes, and then it's going to show you all the stuff that contains that. Oh, and here it's showing one. This is not, the recipe is not activated, as you can see down here, but it's still bringing it up here. And then this one is going to actually change depending on what layer you are. So that's a good way to sort of just check your layers and make sure stuff is just matching. Okay, so besides the recipes, you can also look for virtual tags or anything that you have tagged. So what's nice is that there's some of these pre-made tags. FontLab makes these for you. SC is the small caps, TOS, and let's see here. Okay, I wanted to look at compound. Okay, compound. Let's type that up here. Compound, and then we do tags match compound. Click that. I'm gonna close that up a little bit. Now here are all the things where I use skins. Okay, so go down here and you can see that this is built from some hook plus the N. Now let's see why C appeared here. I'm not sure why exactly that one appeared, but you get the idea. That shows skins, and it can also manual composites. Non-composites can be pretty helpful too if you want to find the stuff that doesn't have auto layers. Tags match non-composite. Okay, and then if I show you, if I open this up here, the stuff in yellow, when the name is sort of in yellow there, that's going to be the stuff that's under your search when this option is turned off. Hide, unhide glyphs. So, whoops, let's scroll down here. And once it gets to regular sort of white, let's see where that, okay. Now, after this not def, everything is white. So these are the things that are composite. And you can also type in composite there. Let's see, manual references, which glyphs have your references. So yeah, a lot of great stuff. Blank is going to be all your spacing stuff. Okay,